Hi, this is Mike Conaway. I want to spend a couple of minutes talking to you this afternoon in advance of the President's almost historic address to a joint session of Congress relating to health care. Throughout 26 public events and town hall meetings in District 11 during the month of August, you made it crystal clear to me that you first believe that there are reforms that are necessary to address some of the things that are going on within our healthcare system, but that there is overwhelming opposition to H.R. 3200, which is the House version of the healthcare reform that's been debated. It is very clear that you oppose that. You understand what it does, and that's not something you're in favor of. What I did hear you being in favor of is addressing tort reform and pre-existing conditions, things that do allow for rifle shot solutions in this area. I hope what the President says tonight is that let's start over. Let's put aside what we've done so far, deal with the things that we can't agree on, and make some progress in this arena. It would be best if I took my Republican jersey off and the other side took their Democrat jerseys off. We quit worrying about who gets credit for the fix and actually deal with those issues that are most important with respect to how we address the rising cost of health care and how do we pay for that health care. How do we make the delivery system as efficient as it can be, as opposed to simply having folks go to the emergency room when they get sick instead of having a more orderly process. So it's exciting to be in Washington, D.C. tonight, to hear what the President has to say. I hope you too will tune in and listen and judge for yourself how sincere he is about actually reaching across the lines on this issue. Quite frankly, they don't need Republican help. The Speaker needs only 85% of her members to vote for the House bill, and it would pass. So they don't have to have our help, but it would be better if they got it. So stay tuned this evening to hear what the President has to say. Thanks for listening. God bless each one of you.